Alright, here's today's lesson from my point of view, which doesn't mean much of anything to some of you, and that's okay. But it says Boston, left lane. Scusset Beach, 6 west, right lane. Well, I'm going towards Boston, so I'm going to get in the left lane. The other reason I'm going to get in the left lane is because when we get up by the bridge here, it's going to be a little bit of a ramp merging with me. And if there's another tanker truck or a dump trailer or any 18-wheeler who's in a 30-mile-an-hour ramp trying to get onto the highway, and everybody's blowing by there at 50 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour when they should be doing 40, well, you try stopping one of these and starting from scratch. So I call it avoiding conflict. I'm going to leave that lane open for trucks. Anybody that comes up behind me and can't stand doing the speed limit, well, they'll just pass me on the right and jump in front of me like they usually do, and that's okay. But yeah, that's it. Let's see, maybe there'll be nobody coming off this ramp ahead. You don't know, I don't know. Still conflict avoidance. What do these signs say? Road work ahead, speed limit 40. Now I'm doing 48, so these people in front of me are doing well over 50. That ramp's 30. Well, this guy, he's gonna try to pass me between the 18-inch curb and my trailer, and well, maybe he will. I don't care. But if he doesn't, I'm coming back to the right. Look at this guy over the yellow line there. Ever since I seen the buses taking both lanes for years, I just hug this lane. I don't mind taking the curb after the peak, but before the peak, now you see this is an accident waiting to happen. That's why they got those signs up back there. Think anybody's reading them? Probably not. Wheeler back there. Another 18-wheeler. I'm gonna always expect anything and everything. No accidents, no incidents. That's a good day. That's what my trainer told me, and he was right. I had a good trainer. All right, you all have a good day now. Stay safe.